Hi, it's Ginger Cutting with the Cutting Edge team, and today we're going to talk about the importance of getting a home inspection. So when you're purchasing a home, it is so important that within your due diligence period, that's the period that is set in Section 6 of the purchase contract, that talks about a buyer's opportunity to investigate the property completely within a certain period of time. Our contract defaults to 10 days. However, you can extend that time if you see necessary. But the home inspection is an extremely important part of this process. As a team, we offer a list of home inspectors in the area that we have had great success with and are happy to provide that to you. Just let us know. However, you can choose anybody to do a home inspection. I recommend that you have a certified, licensed by the state of Arizona home inspector. When the home inspector goes in, what can you expect? They will take anywhere for a standard 2,000, 2,500 square foot home. They'll take around 4 to 5 hours to do a complete, thorough inspection. I like to meet my buyer at the property about 30 minutes before the end of that inspection. And the reason I do this is during that inspection time, I want the inspector to focus on the home, not answer questions or not be interrupted and miss something. So prior to the end of the inspection, I meet the client there. We go through with the home inspector and do what I call a recap on everything about the home, go over the good, bad, and the ugly, and discuss it at that point in time. Then the home inspector will furnish us a full printout and digital copy of the home inspection with photographs, and then we have an opportunity to negotiate that in a way to where we can ask the seller to remedy anything. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again as we continue on this subject matter with my next video, bringing in a home inspector. And again, my name is Ginger with the Cutting Edge team. Please reach out to us with any questions, and you make it a great day.